Good morning, students. Today in our class 6th, we are going to learn a poem, A House, a Home. You just think about what is the difference between a house and a home. You can discuss it also with your friends and with your partners. So, here is a poem who says us about a house and a home, what they are, what is difference between them. What is house? What is a house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard. Some window glass and perhaps a yard. It's eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. What is a home? It's loving and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. Lorraine M. Halley. So here is a poem. It says about us. What is a house? What is a house? It's brick and stone. House is made of brick and stones. And wood that's hard, and it is made of wood. So, house is here a physical material, made of physical material, a unit, and perhaps a yard. It's eaves and chimneys. It has eaves and chimneys and tile floors. It has tile floors and stucco and roof. So here is the difference between a house and a home. A house is made of brick and stone. It is made of physical materials. You bring from somewhere bricks and stones and woods, you make your house. Some window glasses you are buying from market, you add in the house. Perhaps a yard, if the house is big enough. It's eaves and chimneys. Eaves means here neva. In Gujarati it is called neva. And roof. Ceiling like roof. It's eaves and chimneys and tile floors. It has tile floors. And stucco and roof. Stucco means plaster. It has stucco, plaster and a roof. Roof means ceiling, and lots of doors and many doors. So here house is mere a physical unit made of materials. It has nothing special, nothing like feeling type of. Then what is a home? What is home? It's loving and family. A home has loving and family and doing for others. They are working for others, doing for others. Our Father is earning for us, not for Him only. It's brothers and sisters. In home, there are brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. Fathers and mothers also. So they are working, they are doing anything for each other, not for themselves only. If father is earning money and hard working, it is also for us, not for only father. As mother is doing works and making chapatis and doing household chores, she is not doing for only her. She is doing it for our home, all the family. It's unselfish acts. There is no selfishness in home. All are working, helping, caring, unselfish. And kindly sharing. They all are kindly, with kind, they are sharing each other's. And showing your loved ones, you are always caring. And they are showing you, you are always caring. So here is a difference between a house and home. A house is mere physical material, though if there is a big house, 3 or 4 or 5 stories, but if there is no family, there is no home. But if people are living on roadside or footpath or in slums, if there are families, loves, caring and helping, so the home is there. So a house is only material, physical material unit, and home is very large. With residing it with loving and care, it becomes home. A house cannot become home, but home becomes house. So, thus, where is a love, family, brotherhood, father, mother, there is home. Whenever you are, wherever you are. In forest, there is no house, but yet there are homes. The families living with care and love each other. Lauren M. Harley. Here is another one, a joke is here. Lengthy process. So your son is lengthy process. So your son is still going to college. A man remarked to another, what is he going to be when he finally graduates? Replied the second, old. So here is a joke. One man is asking another that your son is still going to college. What is he going to be? So man replied, old. तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि एक आदमी दूसरे आदमी से पूछता है कि आपका बेटा कॉलेज जाता है तो क्या अब बड़ा होके क्या बनेगा? तो वो क्या लड़का उसका फेल होता था, तो उसने कहा कि वो बड़ा होके अब बूढ़ा ही बनेगा और क्या बनेगा. Okay, so thus this first chapter ends.